Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. I'm here today with Kinetic, brand new from Tumi. This just launched. I'm excited about this one because I have every single one of them, and I feel like every time they come out with something new, it makes me more and more curious. I had no idea this was coming. I thought they were finished, but they're never done because they're always coming out with new and great things. I love that. If you're not familiar with the Tumi line, they make very high-end, high-quality luggage and travel equipment. And this is a series of perfumes that they've been coming out with that has this shape bottle and the beautiful, really modern, functional, and I love the way the cap locks into place here. So you have this right here to release the cap. And then that switch right there closes and releases it. Love the red bottle too, by the way. Love the red bottle. And I'm going to have a little look here. And I'm going to give it a first impression spray and see where we're at with this. See where we're at. All right, Kinetic. Nice. For those of you who think this is going to be Baccarat Rouge, you're in for a surprise. It's not. Far from it. It's definitely a masculine fragrance. It's designer, of course, but it is very pleasant. I feel like there's some citrus in this as well. Woods, spices. It's sort of an in-between your evening wear and day wear. So I could see this being worn almost any time of the day. Whereas some of the other ones are geared more towards day. Some of them are geared more towards night. Some of them are geared more towards summer. Some are geared more towards fall. This is going to be your fall and fall, spring, cooler weather, but daytime and nighttime fragrance for sure. Very nice. I could see this being very pleasant. And I'm going to do this on skin, of course, and you're going to see a more in-depth review. Of course, this is just a first impression on Kinetic and an unboxing as well. Love the bottle. Really nice, heavy duty. And love the cap. And I'm looking forward to seeing what's next in this series. Have you guys tried these before? And what did you think? Which one's your favorite? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you again in another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And have a great day.